When people see successful businesses, they often only see the results. They do not see the sacrifice, the pressure, the setbacks, the difficult decisions that needed to be taken. Building a business changes you. It teaches you discipline. It teaches you patience. It teaches you resilience. There were many moments where things were difficult for me, but every challenge creates growth if you are willing to learn from it. One thing I have learned is that consistency matters more than motivation. Showing up every single day matters. Improving every day matters. Building systems matters. At QuintPay, we work with entrepreneurs every single day. And I can honestly say that some of the most successful people started with very little, but they stayed committed to the process. Keep building, keep learning, keep growing. Your future is created by what you consistently do every single day.